So here I have another question, and it is actually much simpler than the previous one. We have to find the derivative of this thing with respect to x. Okay, so you can see that this is simple division, so I can apply the derivatives right away. 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5 divided by x squared plus 1. This is the entire term divided by dx. Okay, this is actually the fx. You can see the first term. This is the second term gx. So what do we have to do? First of all, for the first term, we have to multiply the second term with the derivative of the first term, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5 minus, which is the requirement of the division differential. The first function is actually multiplied by the derivative of the second function, that is x squared plus 1, and this entire thing is divided by the square of the second function. Now what do we have? X squared plus 1. This actually becomes, okay, so if you see, this is 2x cubed and it is being multiplied by the differential, so the 2 is a constant, so 2 becomes in the first place. Then we have the power 3x, 3 minus 1 2, so 2 3s are 6, we are getting 6x squared. All right, then we have minus 3x squared, so this is the same case. If you see over here, differential is multiplied by 3x squared, so 3 becomes at the first place. Then we have the exponent, variable, exponent minus 1. So where do we have 3 2s are 6, power 1, so 6x power 1. Now the 5 is a constant, so it is removed. Then negative sign, and we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5. The 1 is a constant, so we do not have to take the derivative of that. X squared, this would actually become, derivative of x squared is exponent, variable, exponent minus 1 is 1, so 2x. And in the denominator, we have x squared plus 1 power square. Okay, now we can actually multiply all of these terms inside. So 6x squared multiply x squared is 6x4 minus 6x multiplied by x cube is 6x cube. Then the 1 with a positive sign is multiplied by 6x squared, so that is actually 6x squared. Then the 1 is multiplied by negative 6x, so that gives us negative 6x. Okay, the negative sign is going to cause trouble, so first of all I would multiply this 2x by these terms, and after that I am going to put the negative sign with all of those terms. Okay, so we are going to use a bracket. 2 times 2 is 4, x times x cube is x4. Okay, minus 2 times 3 is 6, x times x square is x cube. Okay, then the 5 times 2 is 10 with a plus sign, and 10x. Okay, and in the denominator we have x square plus 1 whole square. Now we are actually going to multiply this negative sign inside all of these terms with a positive sign. Yep, so 6x4 minus 6x cube plus 6x square minus 6x minus plus minus 4x4. Okay, minus minus is plus, so plus 6x cube minus plus minus 10x. Okay, and in the denominator we have x square plus 1 whole square. Over here we can see that this term is being cancelled, and we have x4 and x4, so 6 minus 4 is 2 x4, and what are the remaining terms? 6x squared minus 6x, and in the denominator we have x squared plus 1 whole square. So this is the derivative of this function. Okay,